Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you saw the title, so you already know what's up. Y'all, come pack with me, okay? I'm leaving for New York on Tuesday. Today is Sunday. I do work all day tomorrow, so I need to get this done today, okay? Enough is enough. Yeah, I don't know why I wait to the last minute. Like, how far in advance do you pack for your trips? Again, we're leaving on Tuesday. Today is Sunday evening. Right now it is 5:23. Y'all, procrastination is real. As you can see, my background is a mess. We in shambles over here, okay? I got my suitcases out. I have the outfits I think I'm going to take. I still have to, of course, pull out like my skincare. I'm not going to do that until probably the morning of. Like my chargers, my technology stuff, do that the morning of. But right now, I need to be packing the things I know I'm not going to wear or use in between that time. Like I said, I work all day tomorrow, so I can't do this tomorrow. I don't need to be up late tomorrow. I need to be feeling refreshed on Tuesday. If you missed my last video, me and my sister are going to New York for her birthday. So yay, I'm excited about that. But I need to get it together. Okay, this is ridiculous. I pulled these clothes out yesterday, maybe the day before, just to see which outfits I was going to take. And it's like, girl, these clothes been out all day long. Okay, why have you not packed a single thing? But I was waiting on y'all. That's a good reason. I was waiting on y'all. I wanted y'all to pack with me. Now that we're here, we can go ahead and get into it. Okay? All right. All right, y'all. So as you can see, it is literally a mess in here. Okay? I have my carry-on duffel bag, my small suitcase, my large suitcase that I plan on putting the majority of everything in. I have my packing cubes over here. Now, this came from Shein, y'all, with the pink. I love it. It comes with so many different sizes. So I'm going to pack my socks and my undergarments in here. The black ones actually came with the carry-on bag, which I like. The carry-on duffel, I did get that from Amazon. I'm going to link it below for y'all, as well as these pink packing cubes from Shein. Y'all, it came with so many, like literally. And I took these with me to Vegas, and I really enjoyed it. There's so many different sizes for, you know, things that you may or may not need. But you have options, okay? So many options. So we're going to reuse these again. This is my toiletry bag that I got from Amazon. I will link this as well. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. I don't know why I didn't prop up the camera. But this is my toiletry bag. You can hang it up. Love this. This is another bag that came from Shein. All right, I have most of my outfits out here, trying to see exactly what I'm going to take. I have my coats over here. But yes, y'all, we got to go ahead and get it together. I have my shoes that I'm going to take. 3 pair of shoes, maybe 4. I got to see how much the suitcase weighs, but yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go through these packing cubes to see which ones I may need to take. Like I said, these come in different sizes, so I do like that. Do y'all use packing cubes when y'all pack, or y'all just fold it and put it in the suitcase? I'll let your girl know. This is so cute, like a little garment bag. Y'all, Shein, I'm telling you, certain things you get from Shein, yes, okay. And then this big one, of course, you can use that. And these are the ones that came with my carry-on duffel bag from Amazon. All right, so we're gonna go through that. Y'all, why is there stuff still in here from Vegas? Like, why? It's a shame. Oh, wow. Y'all, what? This is a shame. I got stockings in here. I've been looking for these waist beads. I have some Lysol spray, which I just bought some from Walmart, if y'all see that in the last video. Some hand sanitizer, glasses case. I got some scissors in here. Yeah. But the good thing, I still need all this stuff, so it's perfect.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl, let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable.
Just do it my way. All I got is these broken hearts. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love, and it's still love, it's still love, still love, still love, it's still love, and it's still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. Don't leave me sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. Freedom just join the party. Just don't need nobody. All that I got, this is in pages. Not gonna lie, sorry I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me. I just wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gonna stop us. Ain't no one gonna stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm what you need, what you need. He's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want. I'm what you need, I'm what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave the high heel shoes. There's never way you're looking better me. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your boots off. And I'ma love you, girl, who you need. And no one will stop us. Ain't no one will stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the rock in your face, and just fight through the pain. He's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want. I'm what you need, I'm what you need, what you need. He's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want. I'm what you need, I'm what you need, what you need. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
And just bring y'all along with us over the next few days. Make sure you tell my sister happy birthday down below in the comments.
Yeah, 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 yeah.